Magkano raw itong taxi?
Seven. Tama? $7.
Okay, we're now on a taxi ride going to the airport for the helicopter tour. That's Tito Dennis and Tito Onet. Where's Tita? Tito Onet, where are you? I'm here.
Oh, I see. Okay. Thank you.
Yep.
Didn't get your name.
Arlo.
Thank you so much, Arlo.
Yep.
We made it right on time. We just got here at the airport for our helicopter tour ride. Let's go check in. Okay, we're going on a helicopter tour right now.
Yes.
Me and Tito on it. Tito Lolet wanted to go. Unfortunately, they're all fully booked for today. Only open started at 6 p.m. and 6:30. There's the gate right there. Let's go over there and meet the lady.
Hindi naman helicopter to.
Hindi yung ano, chop.
Asan? Okay.
Okay, we're gonna wait for a ride.
So the helicopter is coming right along the horizon over there. He's going to come in and land by those cones. I will go through all the safety with you right now real quick.
Hindi ka dito sa ano.
The helicopter is coming right now.
Pwede ka raw sumama sa ride. I can see it.
Right there. It's coming, it's coming.
Manunod sila guys. Going to watch.
Here comes the helicopter.
Hi!
Pakikuha mo din ako dito. O, dyan na lang.
Ako na lang ang kukuha.
O, sige.
Okay.
Ipasa mo sa amin.
We wait. We're gonna wait for the lady to tell us to get up there.
Meron bababa.
Oo.
Yeah.
Have fun!
Sorry
na lang sa inyo. Hindi siya
Dapat pala tayo experience na. Kasi pare-pare daw natin. Mamaya paglabas.
Mamaya, pagtapos nyo.
Oo.
We're getting ready for a helicopter tour ride.
Hello. Okay. Sundan mo silang dalawa.
Okay, let's go everybody. I'm with Tito Onet and Tita Lolit riding the helicopter today. Woo! We're going up there. We can do this.
Lyman, you can use this right.
Okay, we're on the helicopter.
You grab that bar up there. Yep.
Yeah, there we go, settled. Have fun. Okay, we're all settled in here.
way back.
Seems like it's long. It's a good experience.
Okay, we're back here on land. It was a lot of fun. That was so much fun.
Natawagan kita doon para
Okay, now they're getting off for another group of tours.
pasok ko sa akin mamaya.
Airdrop. Yeah, muna ng picture.
O, teka, mag-picture muna.
Picture tayo.
Okay, now we're waiting for a taxi ride going back to the Grand Hotel, and they're taking lots of pictures.
Kunan mo kami. Kaming apat.
Mal, kunan mo kami nito. Kunan mo. Kunan mo kami